guys, what is up? So today we are going to be unboxing a box from Twisted Allure. I was scrolling Instagram and an ad popped up and I was like, oh my God, what is that? So I clicked on it and I just went completely crazy. I ordered a box of stuff and yeah, let's jump into it. Okay, so here is their little card. It's super cute. I fell in love with the packaging, so I had to order a bunch of stuff. They are called Twisted Allure, Live, Die, Haunt. And on the back here, it is creepy bath products and it has all of their socials here. Super, super cute, kind of creepy Halloween themed. I'm in love. Okay, so the first thing that I got are these Monster Munch wax melts. This has the scent of sweet cherries, strawberries, and raspberries. And they are just little wax melts. And you guys, these smell so freaking good. It kind of smells like sweet tarts. Smells so, so good. So next I had to get 2 body sprays. We have Funeral Flowers, Graveyard Roses, and Werewolf, Warm Rustic Woods. You guys, these smell so, so good. So the werewolf one is very musky, rustic. It says warm rustic woods, and that's exactly what it smells like. And then I was like, what does Graveyard Roses smell like? And it's just a rose scent, but it smells so beautiful. Ah, so good. It's almost like deep berries mixed with rose. It's such a different scent. I'm in love. Next, I picked up 2 of their body lotions. We have Monsters Are Human body lotion. This has citrus, bergamot, sandalwood, and vanilla. And then over here, we have the lotion version of the fragrance that I bought, which is the Graveyard Roses. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these out. Let me smell this, because I don't think I've smelled this yet. Ooh. That smells so freaking good, you guys. And last but not least, I picked up 2 of their body scrubs for the shower or the bath. First, we have the Carnival Cannibal Split Scrub. This is birthday cake on one side and cotton candy on the other. You can see it in there, and it is just so, so cute. So, so pretty. It's just whipped on in there. Ugh, smells like a dream. And then the last thing that I got is the Waffle Berry Boogeyman Split Scrub. And this is blueberry cheesecake ice cream on one side and vanilla sugar cone on the other. And this one just smells so good too. You guys, I am so excited to use all of these products and cannot wait to take a shower. And so glad that I stumbled across that ad because now I will definitely be repurchasing from this brand. Well, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of Twisted Allure products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.